and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new and you like makeup, beauty, hair or hauls, then please consider subscribing. So today I'm going to be reviewing some of the new XX Revolution Matrix collection. I'm really excited for this. I did not expect them to release this collection in the first place, and when I saw it advertised I was like, yes, I need that. So I picked up the Trinity eyeshadow palette and the Pigment kit. There was quite a lot in this collection. There was a beautiful makeup case, like a metal makeup case that, to be honest, I have got my eye on. I'm going to wait till it goes on like a 3 for 2 or some sort of sale, and I'm going to snap it up. But there was also some brushes, sponges that were really unusual shapes actually. They look quite interesting. There was a big palette that I was tempted by but I didn't get. There was another more sort of neutral tone palette. Some lip products that, again, I was really tempted by, but I'm trying to save my pennies. And I think that was about it. I think there was some other bits as well, to be honest, but I can't remember now. But yeah, I picked up the Trinity one, which is a kind of more colourful one, and the Pigment set that really, really intrigued me. As always, any products that I use in today's video, I'm going to link in the description box below. So obviously if you go onto that link and there is other products that you're interested in or you fancy looking at, then it will be around those links as well anyway. So this is the outer packaging of the Trinity palette, which is really nice, obviously very Matrix. And then this is the palette itself. It's quite chunky. But yeah, so it's this really nice like glossy green, and then round the edge you've got this kind of like, what is this, binary code type thing? I think it's binary code. This is stunning. Absolutely. So I love the XX Revolution Luxe palettes. I think they're really nice. So this is the colour story. Beautiful. I'm loving the greens. Really like the greens, and this kind of really deep purple appeals to me as well. So yeah, we'll give it a quick swatch. So we've got the names on the sheet, which, yeah, it's going to be a bit complicated to read you the names of the swatches, but I'm going to try. Right, so this is the first half. So we've got telephone, first mate, hacker, database, prophecy, coding, the one, and dodge bullets. And then the rest I've had to go down quite far on this one because I ran out of room. But we have Bell 212, Comb It, Virus. I think that's Temet Nos, but I'm probably pronouncing that wrong. It's been a very long time since I've watched it. Cyber Criminal, Fate, Resistance, PVC, Agents and Machine. So as I said, I also picked up the Pigment set. So this is the Matrix Anomaly Loose Pigment set. I kind of figured I could either use these as like a shimmer, or, you know, you could use them as a liner. I've got some of the Sample Beauty liquid that you can make like into a liner or like a chrome over the top. I might actually do that today. I might use it like a chrome over the top. So these are the pots. So they're actually quite a decent size. And then you've got your XX Matrix branding on the top. And they've got this cool, like, you know, the dripping green on them as well. So there is Trinity, which is the green one. Morpheus, which is the black one. And then we've got the gold one, which is Neo. So they're like a little shaker pot. I'm going to try and swatch these as well. Okay, so this is what they look like. These are nice, really nice. So this one was obviously Trinity, Morpheus and Neo. What I've done, excuse that one, it's because I put a bit too much on my brush. But yeah, I've just kind of got a brush and then put them on here as they are, which is what I'll probably do in the look actually. But this black, which is obviously a matte black, I was expecting it to be like a shimmery one, but that is really, really nice. That is major, major pigment. I love that. Look, that's how pigmented it is. It's actually stained my arm. I've been rubbing, that's why it's gone red. I've been rubbing and rubbing and it's not coming off. So, yeah. Right then, so let's try them out. Right, okay, I've just got some of that blooming black pigment on my carpet, so that's going to be fun to get out. I'll have to get the vanish out in a bit. Right, so in my crease, and then I'm going to bring it into my outer and inner corner as well, I'm going in with that really nice dark green. So it was that one there, which was Coding. Okay, so like that is so pigmented. Bit of fallout, I have to say, which I do often find with the Luxx palettes, but sometimes it's not a bad thing. Just make sure that you do your base first. I've already done my base, of course, typical. But yeah, that is the only thing. Right, so I'm going to blend the edges of that out, and I'm going to use this one here in the corner. So it's kind of like this, I'd say mid to bright green. Okay, I'm going to dip back in, I think, to the 2 and kind of try and blend it a bit more than that. I'm going to try and use a bit of a fluffier brush as well. I think that one was a bit dense. Okay, so what I'm going to do is right on this very centre part here, I think I'm going to go in with that Neo Pigment. So that was the goldy shade here. I'm just going to tap a bit into the lid. So without spilling it, it looks like that. And I'm going to very carefully take some on just a flat rounded brush and kind of place this on the centre. I'm expecting to get fallout with this. Do you know what? I've got hardly any fallout from that, and it's gone on really, really nice. So I'm just going to kind of diffuse the edges slightly so it blends a little bit better into that green. Okay, so it's gone like that, which I think is actually really quite nice. What I did is on the gold, I just kind of went over a little bit with my finger as well and just like patted the edges here just to blend it slightly. And I think it's gone quite well. So underneath, I think I might actually take that really dark colour, you know, this one here. So this kind of dark purple shade. I'm going to try it. And I'm going to try and smoke that into my lower lash line and bring it up into this bit a little bit. Okay, so like that, and then I've just got a wipe and just gone around the edges just to clean it up. Right, okay, so then I think on my inner corner I'm going to go in with this green shimmer just here. And then brow bone. I think I might actually use this kind of icy shade here. I'm actually quite pleased with that. Right, okay, so that is as far as I'm going to go. So I'm just going to go and do the other eye, pop some lashes on, and I'll be back. And here is the finished look. Yeah, I have really tried to go all out on this one. I'm not going to lie, it has taken me quite a while, and I've really enjoyed doing it, if I'm honest. But yeah, I attempted the reverse cat eye, well, kind of, and yeah, I don't know. Does it look all right? You tell me. But yeah, I love greens anyway, and I think the green in this is absolutely beautiful. There are more that I didn't try, but I am excited to try those as well. And this purple that I've used underneath is such a nice colour, it really is. I do like the palette. I think it's a really nice palette. It's really good pigment. I've found with XX Revolution palettes that they've all been really nice to use, if I'm honest. As I said before, a little bit of fallout, but if you do your base first, or if you've got a wet wipe to hand, it's not really an issue anyway. So here's a look at the eyes close up. I'm really proud of this. I'm not going to lie. I'm really, really pleased with it. The greens, as I say, are absolutely stunning. That pigment is so much easier to use than I expected. I honestly thought it was going to crumble all over my face, but it really didn't. Yeah, it's just given a really beautiful shimmer. I'm actually quite excited to use the black as well, the matte black. I think if you watered that down, that would make a really nice liner. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the absolute world to me if you did enjoy watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future, and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching.